你好. So this lecture is the last move of the form, which is a closing. After you finish the cross hands, that's the last movement, and you're going to close back to where you start. So let me show you the move. The cross hands position. Unlock the hands. See this move, it is just opposite of the opening. When we open, step to the side and up and down. This is it. Once your hands down and you pull your left foot back together, that is the closing. Let's do the hands first. Cross hands. You're gonna unlock the hands, which is push the palms in, two palms in, and then unlock the crossing. And back to the position we are opening, same pose. Shoulder height, shoulder width, right there. And then come down, bend the knees. After you're down, and pull the hands apart, back to your side of the body. Just let the hand out. Once you pull the hand down, that's the time, bend the knees. When the hand back down to your waist here, and then start shift to the right, pick up the left, and put it back. So after you pick up the left foot, the right knee still bent. When you pull it in, that's the time you straighten your right knee. And when you come back in, and your body should be straight. Back to your start position. Let's do it one more time. Cross hands. So again, when you cross hands, when you start unlocking your hands, that's the time you inhale. Inhale. When you press down, that's exhale. Exhale. Inhale again. Straight and then exhale. That's the end of the move. So this is the closing, same as the opening, but opposite way. And step back to center, straighten your body, and look forward. Thank you very much. 谢谢。